Woodworking projects can generate a lot of sawdust, which is not only difficult to clean up, but according to OSHA, it's potentially harmful to your respiratory health. A dedicated dust collection system captures and collects the majority of wood and dust particles as you work, saving you hours of cleanup time and ensuring that you're not exposing yourself or others to unnecessary airborne hazards. If you have employees, a dust collection system may be required to comply with regulatory standards. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best dust collection systems from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Shop Fox W1666 Dust Collector System. If you frequently find yourself immersed in woodworking tasks, exceeding the typical workload of a casual DIY enthusiast, the Shop Fox system could be the perfect fit for you. Equipped with a robust 2-horsepower motor, this system delivers the power and performance needed for more demanding projects. A notable feature of the Shop Fox system is its removable Y fitting on the intake port, which provides the convenience of attaching two 4-inch hoses simultaneously. This allows for the simultaneous connection of two machines, streamlining workflow and enhancing productivity. While this system may come with a higher price tag compared to other options, it offers excellent value for serious woodworkers, especially when considering the significant time savings it provides during cleanup. This is particularly advantageous in busy workshops where efficiency is essential for meeting deadlines and maximizing output. Investing in the Shop Fox system can ultimately lead to increased productivity and smoother workflow, making it a worthwhile investment for dedicated craftsmen. Number 2. WEN DC3401 Rolling Dust Collector. This WEN tool stands out as an excellent option for those in search of a dependable and robust dust collection system without breaking the bank. Priced at under $200, it boasts an impressive 537 CFM capacity and is powered by a 5.7 amp motor, all while maintaining a lightweight design at just 18.5 pounds. One of the key highlights of this model is its portability. Equipped with 4 rolling casters and a convenient carrying handle, it offers effortless maneuverability around your workspace and allows for easy transportation between locations. Additionally, for those who prefer a stationary setup, the option to remove the base and mount it to the wall adds further convenience and flexibility. While WEN does not specify the horsepower of this unit, the 537 CFM capacity serves as a reliable indicator of its performance capabilities, ensuring efficient dust collection for a wide range of woodworking tasks. With its combination of affordability, portability, and functionality, the WEN dust collection system proves to be a practical and versatile solution for woodworking enthusiasts of all levels. Number 3. Shop Fox W1727 Portable Dust Collector. Featuring 4 casters and a generously sized steering handle, this model stands out for its exceptional portability when compared to other units of similar size. What sets it apart further is the inclusion of a 20-foot hose, reinforced with steel wire, ensuring safe movement without the risk of damage or kinking. With an impressive suction capacity of 800 CFM, this unit effortlessly handles a wide range of projects. Although its storage capacity of 2.1 cubic feet may not be the largest, it contributes to the unit's overall compact design, making it easier to maneuver and store in tight spaces. Additionally, the transparent bag offers the added benefit of conveniently monitoring dust levels and separation, a feature that is often lacking in many other dust collection systems. Number 4. Shop Fox W1826 Wall Dust Collector System. This specific model offers an excellent choice for individuals who prioritize the convenience of a self-powered dust collection system while also considering space limitations. Despite its compact size, standing at a mere 44 inches tall, when fully inflated, this model doesn't compromise on performance. It boasts an impressive suction capacity of 537 CFM and operates with a 1-horsepower motor, ensuring robust dust collection capabilities for various woodworking tasks. Additionally, it features a bracket that simplifies wall mounting, providing added versatility in installation and includes all the necessary hardware for effortless setup. With the collection bag boasting a generous storage capacity of 2 cubic feet, this unit ensures efficient dust containment. Moreover, the incorporation of a transparent window on the collection bag allows users to easily monitor the fill level, enabling timely emptying when required. This blend of compact design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features makes this model an ideal solution for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers alike, offering convenience and effectiveness in a space-efficient package. Number 5. Oneida Air Systems Deputy Deluxe Dust Collector. To select this option, you'll need to provide your own suction system, such as a shop vac. However, if you already have one on hand, this budget-friendly solution is perfect for occasional woodworkers looking to manage dust effectively. Equipped with tapered ports, this system accommodates a range of vacuum hose sizes, enhancing its versatility beyond just collecting sawdust. It's capable of efficiently capturing various materials like water, metal shavings, pet hair, or ash and soot, making it a versatile tool for a variety of cleanup tasks. Furthermore, by capturing these materials before they enter your vacuum, you not only prolong the lifespan of your machine, but also reduce the need for frequent cleaning of its dust filter. This not only saves you time but also conserves energy, offering a practical and efficient solution for maintaining a clean workspace. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.